Customer categories. You are able to create customer categories for your customers. You can use categories to group your customer accounts for reporting purposes, since customer reports can be printed per category. For example, you can categorize your customers as local customers, foreign customers. You can categorize your customers as wholesale customers, retail customers. This can be useful for tracking sales in a particular area, to a particular group of customers. To access this function, select Customers. Lists. Customer categories. Add category. If you want to create a new category, click on the Add Category button and the screen below will display, where you will enter the name of the category. Enter customer category. Click Save button. If you want to add more customer categories, click Save and New button. After you create customer categories, you can view the list of customer categories. You can sort customer categories by description. By clicking Action button, you can edit or delete customer category. If you already linked customer category to customer, you cannot delete the customer category. After you create customer categories, you can link the customer category to a customer. You can generate reports by customer categories.